Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering Outlook 365 Advanced. My name is Vicky Drewa, and I've been training people to use Microsoft products for over 10 years. Microsoft Outlook is a powerful tool that you can use to stay connected and get organized, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for users who have an intermediate understanding of Outlook and want to use more advanced features. We'll start with setting up different types of email accounts and working with data files. Then we'll customize the Outlook environment using multiple tools. Next, we'll look at the many types of objects you can insert into email messages, including calendars, tables, illustrations, drawings, voting buttons, and polls. Then, we'll look at ways to manage your email. We'll discuss how to set up quick steps and rules, how to manage junk mail, and ways to control the size of your inbox. In our last section, we'll look at ways to share and delegate your calendar, how to set up calendar groups, and how to use your contacts when creating meetings. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will feel more comfortable using many of the great features Outlook 365 has to offer.